Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Linux Mint OS. First, let's get acquainted with the desktop. You'll find the panel at the bottom, similar to other operating systems. The menu button, usually on the left, is your gateway to all applications and settings. Navigating the file system is intuitive, allowing you to easily manage your documents and media. We'll cover these basics to get you comfortable. Once you're on the desktop, you'll notice icons and a taskbar. The menu button, typically in the bottom left, opens a world of applications. You can browse categories or use the search bar to find specific programs like a web browser or a word processor. This intuitive layout makes finding what you need simple and efficient, even if you're new to Linux. Managing your files is easy with the built-in file manager, similar to what you might be used to. For new software, the Software Manager is your go-to. It's like an app store, offering thousands of free applications. Just search, click Install, and you're ready to go. Keeping your system updated is also simple with the Update Manager, ensuring security and performance. Linux Mint is highly customizable. You can change themes, fonts, and desktop effects to make it truly yours. Explore the system settings to personalize your experience. If you ever need help, the Linux Mint community is incredibly supportive. There are forums and extensive documentation available online, making it easy to find answers to your questions and learn more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.